Welcome to your seventh video in Python programming basic course. In this video we'll talk about if statement. Write a program to take the user age and determine whether he is an adult or child. To write this program we need if statement plus any statement to take the user input. We mean here by the user input is his age, and we also need print statement. In Python shell, go and open a new file. To save the time I have write all the codes we need. As you see here in the first line, we use print statement to ask the user to enter his age. After that we will save age in a variable called age. Input here is used to save the user input. After that we will use the integer value of the age, and if it was more than 18 we will ask Python to print you are adult, and if it was less than 18 Python will print you are child. And when we run this program we write 13, and when we try again and write any number more than 18 like 20, Python tells us that we are adult.